Okay, well that's one part of it done. So the die holders will run on this shaft, which I know is central. And just to show, it does eject when you wind back. Fits lovely, fitted in the 2 to 3 spacer lovely in the headstock, didn't slip when I was machining it, so I'm really happy with the fit of the Morse taper. And there we are. So I've replicated the Morse taper. Oh, let me just show you. The Morse taper, very similar to the original, size-wise very similar. Just put a little register boss on the front. Oops, excuse me, getting in the way. And fits into the tailstock nicely, smack on centre. Happy days. Now to make the die holder body. So I think I need about the length of the bar plus a die, about 80mm. So we'll just snap that off there. Okay, so let's put the aluminium up in the lathe, face the end, put a centre drill hole in. Oh, it's wobbling about a bit. Good opportunity for me to use the push tool again. That's better. Happy days. So first job, face the end. Oh, look the carriage. Typical. Right at the end of the travel on my compound slide. Okay. Just being gentle with this till I get a centre in. It's stuck out quite a long way. And I'm only holding on about 6mm in those jaws in the chuck. So I can't go at this. Gonna worry the risk of it flying out of the chuck, but I have tightened it up. Don't put your fingers in the lion's mouth. Pliers. I know. Okay, that's cleaned up. Centre drill now. Oop. Come on. Thank you. Here we are, centre drilled hole. And I'll get a centre up. Centre, centre, where are you, centre? Oh. Ah. Serves me right, I hadn't put it away from the last time I used it. Let's give myself plenty of room. Here we are. Supported much better now. Undo the carriage. Let's just take a skim. That's cleaned up beautifully. So we'll have a nice big chamfer on that top corner. Just eyeballing 45 degrees with the end of the tool. Looking good. We're going to whack a hole right through the middle. I'm just starting it off with a 10mm drill, and I'm going to go right through the middle at probably 12.5 drill, and then I'm going to chase it up with a 1/2 inch reamer. Doing about 400 RPM. A lot slower than you'd drill or what have you for aluminium, but I'm going to go stupidly slow. And that reamer's only taking out 0.2mm. So we'll try my shaft in there. Ooh. Fine till I get to about that point. So I think what I'm going to have to do is just run the reamer through by hand. Let's just see if I can get the reamer to go in any further. It did just cut a little bit more at the back. Let's try that again. That's better. I think there's a bit of dirt in there. We need to give it a little polish. Anyway. So we'll bore it out. It's a 25 diameter, 9mm deep. I'm just going to 8.9 on my DRO. 8.9 deep. And then I'll face the back shoulder at the end. To my mill. Just hand feeding this. So we'll have another little measure. .75. Okay. Another couple of scratches. Take 0.1 aside to start with. Into a 9. We'll have a little try. Don't go in yet. That's good news. At least I know I haven't taken too much out. 24.9. Another 0.05 aside. About there. Try that. Oh, it just trying to start. Just double check the diameter of that. I'm sure it was 25. It was measuring 24.95, something like that. I don't want it to be a tight fit in there. I don't want it to be difficult to get the parts in and out. So I'm going to take another maybe 2 thou out the hole. Let's have a look. It's right on the cusp. Another little scratch. I think that should be just a tiny rattle, and it fits. Can't get the bugger back out though. Yes I can. And there we are, that's that board then. So I put a little chamfer on that 12.7 at the back, chamfer on this inner edge, only a small one, and that's the location nest done. We'll flick it round, sort the other end out, probably run the reamer through it again just to get a good fit on that shaft that we were talking about earlier, and we're on the home straight. So lathe in reverse, use the same tool over the other side there, chamfer that leading edge, and I think I may be able to do the same thing in the board. So I haven't taken it out and I've set it up. Centre's running in the 1/2 inch bore in the chamfer that I've machined, and really unorthodox this one. I'll show you the setup at the end. I've got a massive knurling tool, and I know it's probably the wrong sort of knurling tool for a little lathe like this. I'd be better off with a clamp type, but it's a push knurling tool. I'm putting a medium knurl on it. So I'm running it under feed. I've touched it off, give it a little push. And I'm going to put a little knurl on the surface. I want to keep the wheels engaged all the time, so I'm just going to knock the feed off and then hand feed it back to the start position and put a bit more pressure on, take another cut. It's the first time I've tried knurling on this this lathe. I think I'll fill up my WD-40 bottle.